Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Muhammad Rabil Islam, Assistant Teacher, Bharamara Pilot Model High School, Bharamara Kustia. The learners, how are you? I hope that you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also well by the grace of Almighty Allah. At the time of Corona crisis, the government has taken good steps to teach the students by systems of content class. I hope that these systems will be welfare to the students. Now I am discussing about linking one. Class 9 to 10, subject English second part, topic sentence linking one. Look at the whiteboard. Linking word is a word which connected to words or sentence. It is called linking word. In Bangla, linking word হচ্ছে একাধিক ওয়ার্ড বা সেন্টেন্স যে সেন্টেন্স সংযোগ করা হয় তাকে বলে লিঙ্কিং ওয়ার্ড। রোল 1 দ্যাট যেটার অর্থ হচ্ছে যে যা যেটি এটসেট্রা। Such as I am glad that you have passed. Here linking word that B, he knows that you will come here. Here answer linking word is that. Answer, he knows that you will come here. Row 3, who which word is used. A, he does not know dash they want. Here is used what linking word. B, this is book dash is mine. Here linking word is used which. Number 3, how, where, when, where. It is used to sentence such as he wanted to know dash I would go. Here used how. Answer, they wanted to know how I would go. B, you should not run in the field dash it rains. Here answer, you should not run in the sun while it rains. Rule 4, before after is used. Rule 1, he had this home dash the train started. Here used before. B, we reached home dash the sun had set. Here used after. Answer, we returned home after the sun had set. Rule 5, as since because. Here example dash he was ill, he did not attend the school. Here is used as or since. Rule 6, in order to, due to, owing to, etc. Here is discussing this linking word is used by the meaning of the sentence. So the students must be carefully and clearly the meaning of the sentence. It is easy to use linking word. Then rule 6, in order to, due to, owing to. Sentence, you should practice regularly dash learn English. Here it is used in order to. Answer, you should practice regularly in order to learn English. Rule 3, though although but. Here is used though although but. A, dash he is poor, he is honest. Here is used though. He is for he is honest. Example B, he is for dash honest. Here is linking word is used. He is for but honest. Rule 8, whether. Whether it means Bangla kina. Example, I do not know dash he can. It means in Bangla আমি জানি না সে এখানে আসবে কিনা, এসেছিল কিনা. So this answer is whether I do not know whether he can. Yeah. Rule 9, use unless, until, till. Example, dash you what hard you cannot shine in light. Here is answer. Unless you work hard, comma, you cannot shine in light. Here is used unless. Example 2, waiter dash dash I return. It is here linking word until. Wait here until I return. Rule 4, either or. Either or. Example, he is either read dash right. Here is used either dot dot or. Answer is or. Example 2, he will dash play or what. Here is used either. He will either play or what. Answer either. The students, I hope that I have helped to learn this grammar. To you, I will discuss next this grammar, the next part, the next classes. No more today. See you again. I hope that you are well by the grace of Allah. No more today. Allah Hafiz.